Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever felt overwhelmed when trying to choose the perfect winter outfit? I totally get it. As the temperatures drop, finding the right balance between style and warmth can be a real challenge. But don't worry, because today I'm here to help you discover 6 timeless fashion pieces that will not only keep you cozy, but also make you look effortlessly chic. Imagine stepping out of your house feeling confident and stylish, no matter the occasion. That's exactly what these essential items will do for you. We're diving into pieces that never go out of style, ensuring that you can mix and match them for any look that suits your mood. So, grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's embark on this fashionable journey together. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming up next. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with the first essential item, the long coat. This piece is an absolute must have in any winter wardrobe. There's just something incredibly elegant about a well fitted long coat. It not only keeps you warm but also adds a touch of sophistication to any outfit. Whether you choose a classic trench, a wool coat, or a tailored overcoat, the right long coat can instantly elevate your style. When selecting your coat, look for timeless colors like beige, camel, grey, or black. These shades are incredibly versatile and will complement everything in your closet. Imagine draping your long coat over a cozy sweater and trousers for a chic, casual look. Or for a more polished vibe, pair it with a knit dress and some stylish leather boots. The clean lines and structured silhouette of a long coat create an elongated appearance, making you look taller and more refined. And remember, investing in a high quality long coat is key. With proper care, it can last for years, becoming a timeless piece that you'll reach for season after season. So, what's your go-to long coat style? Let me know in the comments. Now let's move on to our second essential item, the basics. Basics are the foundation of any great wardrobe. And trust me, you'll reach for them time and time again. Think about items like a classic turtleneck body, a plain t-shirt, and a timeless striped shirt. These pieces are incredibly versatile and can be styled in countless ways. For instance, a turtleneck body is perfect for layering during the colder months. It's simple and chic, adding a touch of sophistication to your look. Pair it with a long coat or a tailored blazer. And don't forget to accentuate your waist with a stylish belt. This combination creates a sleek, polished outfit that transitions beautifully from casual outings to more refined settings. And let's not forget about the classic striped shirt. It adds a bit of personality while remaining elegant and timeless. You can layer it under a cozy sweater and style it with high-waisted trousers or jeans for an effortlessly chic vibe. Investing in good basics means you'll always have reliable pieces to create a put-together look with minimal effort. What are your favorite basic pieces? Share them with me in the comments. Next up, let's talk about two wardrobe staples that everyone needs, suit pants and jeans. These pieces are incredibly versatile, effortlessly balancing style and functionality. Whether you're aiming for a polished professional look or a casual chic vibe, these items have got you covered. Suit pants are perfect for those days when you want to exude sophistication. Their clean lines and tailored fit make them ideal for formal settings or anytime you want to elevate your everyday style. Pair them with a cozy sweater for a relaxed yet elegant outfit and cinch your waist with a slim belt for that extra flair. On the other hand, well-fitted jeans are a wardrobe hero. They offer a relaxed yet stylish foundation for almost any outfit. Try styling your jeans with a classic gray sweater, tucking it in slightly to create a defined silhouette. Add a chic coat and finish off with a sleek leather bag to elevate your overall look. Both suit pants and jeans are foundational pieces that adapt to various occasions, ensuring you always have a stylish option ready. Which one do you prefer for your go-to outfit? Let me know in the comments. Now let's dive into our fifth essential item, high-quality knits. These are true staples that bring warmth, comfort, and a touch of luxury to your wardrobe. Investing in high quality materials like wool, cashmere, or merino wool is essential as they not only feel amazing against your skin but also stand the test of time. High quality knits add texture and depth to your outfits, creating a cozy yet polished look. Imagine pairing a soft cashmere sweater with a flowing skirt for a more feminine vibe, or a classic knit with tailored trousers for a sleek, sophisticated appearance. The beauty of quality knits is that they retain their shape and won't pill easily, so they'll look fresh and stylish season after season. To keep your knits in top shape, remember to wash them gently and store them flat. This way, you'll ensure they last for years, making them a timeless addition to your collection. So, do you have a favorite knit piece that you can't live without? Share your go-to knits in the comments below. I'd love to hear what keeps you cozy and chic during the colder months. Let's move on to our sixth essential item, leather shoes. These timeless wardrobe essentials combine durability with elegance, making them a must-have for any stylish winter outfit. From classic loafers to ankle boots and knee-high boots, leather footwear offers versatility that can adapt to any occasion. Loafers are fantastic for creating a polished yet understated look, perfect for both casual and professional settings. You can easily pair them with tailored trousers or jeans for a chic vibe. Ankle boots, on the other hand, are ideal for colder months, providing warmth without sacrificing style. They look great with everything from dresses to skinny jeans. And let's not forget knee-high boots. These beauties can add a dramatic flair to your wardrobe and seamlessly blend comfort with sophistication. Whether you're dressing up for a night out or keeping it casual during the day, leather shoes can elevate your look effortlessly. When investing in leather footwear, pay attention to the quality to ensure they last. With the right care, your leather shoes can become staples that you'll reach for season after season. What's your favorite pair of leather shoes? Share your stylish finds in the comments. Now let's talk about the magic of accessories. Designer accessories are one of the easiest ways to add elegance and luxury to your wardrobe. A well-chosen accessory can instantly elevate any outfit, making it look more sophisticated and stylish without much effort. Think about classic pieces like sunglasses, quality watches, and beautifully crafted handbags. These timeless accessories not only serve a functional purpose, but also add a polished touch to your overall look. For instance, a classic pair of sunglasses with black or brown frames can be worn year-round and complements almost any outfit. They frame your face and enhance your style effortlessly. Watches are another essential accessory. A sleek design with either a metal or leather strap can complete even the simplest outfit. It's a functional piece that also showcases your personal style. And, of course, a high-quality leather handbag is a must-have. Choose one with a timeless design in neutral colors like black, brown, or beige, as these bags are incredibly versatile and can transition from casual to formal occasions with ease. So what are your go-to accessories that help you stand out? Share your favorites in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what adds that special touch to your outfits. Now that we've covered our essential items, let's explore how to mix and match these pieces to create a variety of stylish outfits. The beauty of having a solid foundation in your wardrobe is that you can get creative and express your personal style in countless ways. For example, take your classic turtleneck and layer it under a chic long coat. Pair it with tailored suit pants for a sophisticated look that's perfect for the office. Or swap out the suit pants for your favorite jeans for a more casual outing. This simple change can take your outfit from day to night effortlessly. You can also play with textures. Imagine pairing a cozy knit with a sleek leather skirt for a stylish contrast. Adding some knee-high boots can elevate the entire look, giving you that trendy edge. Don't hesitate to accessorize. A statement bag or bold jewelry can transform a simple outfit into something extraordinary. Remember, Fashion is all about having fun and feeling confident. So mix and match, experiment with different styles, and find what works best for you. What are your favorite outfit combinations? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to recap the key points we've covered today. We've explored 6 timeless fashion pieces that will not only keep you stylish, but also help you build a versatile winter wardrobe. Each of these essentials, like the long coat, quality basics, and leather shoes, plays a significant role in creating a polished look that you can wear confidently. By investing in high quality items and mixing them creatively, you can simplify your morning routine while ensuring you always look put together. Remember, it's not just about following trends, it's about choosing pieces that reflect your personal style and can be styled in various ways. So, let these timeless items serve as a foundation for your wardrobe, allowing you to express yourself season after season. Whether you're dressing up for a special occasion or keeping it casual, these essentials will always have your back. Are you ready to elevate your winter style with these timeless pieces? I'd love to hear your thoughts on which item you're most excited to incorporate into your wardrobe. Share your favorites in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring as you work to build your perfect winter wardrobe. Remember, these 6 timeless fashion pieces are not just about looking good. They're about feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin. Fashion should be fun and a reflection of who you are. So don't hesitate to experiment with different styles and combinations. Keep in mind that investing in quality pieces will save you time and money in the long run, as they can last for years in your closet. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to let me know what you liked best in the comments. I love hearing from you and learning about your own fashion journeys. And don't forget to stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Until next time, stay stylish, stay confident, and embrace the beauty of a wardrobe that never goes out of style. Let's continue to inspire each other in this fashion adventure. Catch you in the next video.